Hi, this is John with WTI. And right here with me, I got my original Aunt Jemima syrup. So, one of the things that I like the most from this syrup, well, most of the people already know about it. You use it with your pancakes, of course, that's great. But once you mix this with your pancakes, it's like it's coming out alive. And you have this mix that you can mix like bacon and the pancake and the butter, and it all makes you into this great combination of a breakfast, or like I would do sometimes I would do them for dessert or something different. The texture in here is a normal syrup that is not going to be too high in sugar. I like about this one because sometimes I would try other ones and they would have too much sugar or they wouldn't have so much taste. This original formula of the Aunt Jemima syrup is just great. So overall, a great mix for your pancakes, breakfast, that whatever you want to do. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.